Hey, yo. Look like I'm going.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna say this quick because my friends are outside waiting on me, but today we are doing a girls day beach trip. Okay, so I'm really excited. I was like, I need to pick up my camera and vlog today because I know we about to have a good time and have a blast. So let's go ahead and go outside and say hey to my friends, y'all. Let's go. Say hi to the vlog, you guys.
Hey.
Hi. We made it to the beach. Okay, so I don't know if y'all seen that TikTok where you bring one item of like 5 colors and you have like a picnic. That's what we're doing today. That's why I thought we should record, because I thought we was gonna have fun and get lit. But you know, one of our friends just simply forgot about the rules and she bought like all one color. She thought we had to choose one color, so she got all yellow stuff. So don't mind her. We still gonna have fun and that's okay.
Not tell my bitch.
Y'all want to do first? Pink?
Let's just go down the list.
Pink was first, that's what I said.
Okay.
Oh,
y'all gonna like my pink. Glad y'all got pink. I think I got an extra pink. Yeah, pick that.
And I like it's pink?
Yeah. It is pink.
Okay.
That's what up. I do it on the count of 3, so nobody misses a turn. Hide it first.
I got a lot of pink.
1, 2, 3. Pink. Orange. Here, I got 2 orange things.
Oh,
So nice. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Now we all. Okay, yellow.
She ready for yellow.
I got yellow. I'm gonna put you in the
You might
video.
as well dump all your stuff.
You need to. First off. Wait, I gotta put this in the video too. Leave me alone, okay? Because I didn't understand what y'all was saying. Gotta put 1, 2, 3.
Yellow ready?
Yellow.
Go ahead, keep going.
Okay.
Okay. Oh god.
Right. Oh my god. Okay.
We can do red next.
You be prepared.
And I bought plates.
Yes, ma'am. 2, 3. I wish I knew. I would bought some strawberries. Okay, can I get the napkin? I'm crying. 1, 2, 3.
Keep going.
Oh, you trying to? Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh, that was fun.
This is everything we got, y'all. It's time to get lit. It's time to make a movie. Ooh, not the Casamigos. Yeah, we are. They ain't getting mixed. There's a lot of water here.
We just poured ours out. Like, put your top over. How much should we pour? Just pour. Just pour, baby. Aww.
Okay.
Do you want some of my ice?
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Ooh.
Okay.
Oh, okay. It's like the same.
Yeah, maybe we should put fruit. And
Oh!
okay.
Oh, we should do that thing where they be like having a bottle in here.
Oh, you put no thing? Okay. Oh, well, you put the bottle in, that would have been cute.
Y'all, okay. Why do I keep doing stuff?
You ain't even started drinking yet. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, girl. It's okay. Now
by the way, I do not condone underage drinking. Okay, do not drink unless you are 21 and older.
you should put that song. Do. I do not put. Okay, she gonna put it when I remember the song.
Child. Anyway, so.
Cheers.
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 What?
Follow it, chase it. I ain't know what I was doing.
Oh my god. We might as well catch up to you. Girl, I didn't drink barely anything.
Oh, gee. Oh, God. That's not the whole thing.
No, we got to see where you had it at.
Oh. I need some snacks.
Oh,
For real.
it's still in my mouth. Okay. Cheers to a good day. Okay.
Yeah. I was really gonna recommend it too.
What, umbrella?
Yeah.
I
Gonna do
well,
double.
go ahead, get her one. Period is done.
I'm lit.
Girl, I was recording.
I'm not telling y'all nothing else.
Water girl.
It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. It's alright, and you know we got them.
How did she do that? She be gobbling. I know what she was doing.
Exactly. I did like this. I said.
I know what she was doing.
I said. And then it dissolved. No way. I'm still doing it.
Why was you going? We bringing them in now. Till the early morning. Got the barbecue on fire. She have to act like the umpire. Dance all around the bun.
Cheers! Should we have a chugging contest and try to drink our whole drink?
Tony already done.
Oh my gosh, how are you drinking so much?
I don't know. The same reason why she ate that fruit roll up so fast.
What does she be doing? What does she be doing?
In the dark. I don't be doing nothing, y'all.
Come on, we need to catch up with her.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. I don't even have a straw. It tastes good though. No, you can use your straw. You don't gotta do like me.
You gonna beat me.
Okay, let's go. Ready? Girl, I'm just trash at this point. You should.
Come on, Lex. Get up.
Okay. I got on the white dress first of all. She a big old freak. It's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got a lit.
Real ass bitch. So you know she got a lit.
You know she got a lit.
Hot
Hey,
girl,
hey,
you know she got a
hey,
lit.
hey, handle me? Who gonna handle me? Saying he's a member, he's a member on the team. Hey. People. It's giving baby. Hey. Never try to play me like I'm average. We're not even crossing on the crosswalk.
Yeah. I
Oh,
don't think we're supposed to cross this way. Like,
Thank you.
I think we're supposed to actually cross with the crosswalk.
Come on, hurry up. Let's cross. Because the car
she was
over
on the podcast talking about it.
Whew.
I'm in love with a stripper.
She riding, she rolling. She climbing that pole, and I'm in love with a stripper. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. We've been drinking a lot, so we really feeling these drinks and shots that we had right now. I'm trying to get the gas or the parking together. So let me pull up my phone so I can get the license plate. But right now I'm feeling like I need some water, some H2O. Y'all, and they talking about taking 2 more shots. No ma'am, no ma'am, no ham, no turkey. Cancel, bruh. It keeps saying her card canceled. Honestly, girls' day is a success because we really lit. Have no idea what's going on. Card declining. My best friend card is declining.
What are you going to gain from telling me that my card has declined?
That's okay. Huh? I'm right here trying to get her card together. Her parking. Ooh, now I'm about to drop my phone. We'll be right back.
I can't believe I did, because the lighter is not in.
You left the blanket. You left everything. It's okay.
I'm gonna go back.
We gonna go back.
I'm out of breath.
We gonna go back.
I don't think they have a public bathroom in here though.
They do, cause they gotta use
That looks very public. I mean, private. I meant to say private, not public.
Just tell them we gotta pee on ourselves.
Girl, they gonna say if you buying something. Not, they don't care.
With your broke it. With your broke it.
With your broke ass. Okay, I'm sorry.
Wait,
yeah.
with the look is. It's like it's. Is that
bathroom behind Dairy Queen.
Behind there.
North store has bathroom.
behind Dairy Queen? Okay.
How do y'all use the
Big
bathroom?
bathroom.
They're just not letting us.
Yeah, she asking how we use the bathroom.
Y'all gonna just leave me like that.
Crazy about how y'all use the bathroom.
I wanna know how you use the bathroom.
Are we close to Dairy Queen?
This thing, he's talking about a porta potty. I'm not using that.
There's so many to choose from. Yeah.
Take one. Okay.
Take a look at it. Doesn't matter if I see it.
Let me see. Let me see. Okay.
Also, remember a cue. Don't forget it, all right?
Okay.
Place it here. Don't forget it. Place it right here. Awesome. Place it right on top, right on top. Cue's card, okay? Awesome. We're going to remember it. Don't forget it, all right, Q?
Not gonna forget it.
Q, I'm going to get you to find your card in a crazy way. I'll show you what I mean, Q. Now, this wasn't it, was it?
No, that wasn't
This
it.
is not it, okay? Watch, one card jumps to the top of the deck, Q. Did you see it jump? One card, check it out. 6 of diamonds.
That wasn't it.
That wasn't
That wasn't it.
It's not your card.
No.
Okay. Q, take your hand out like
Take
a
your
plate
hand
for me. Take your hand out. Put your thumb on top of the 6. Awesome. I'm gonna wave my hand over like this. Hold the 6 tight. And actually just feel a tingling sensation. You feel it?
Really?
I think so.
Awesome. You'll feel it just like that. Go ahead and turn it over. Check it out. Why is it melting? Like, you know, what is going on here? You guys
Okay,
are
I don't know how you
insane.
did that.
I know. So magicians do like misdirection. You guys know what misdirection is?
How you do that?
Period.
Misdirection. I'll show you what I mean. What's your name?
Azani.
Azani, go just point at one. It doesn't matter which one. Just point. Perfect. Take a good look at it. Yeah?
Okay.
Awesome. Azani's card. I'm going to do a few cuts, Azani, okay? Now what this does is absolutely nothing. It looks cool, right? A lot of practice. Azani, but one card actually jumped from the deck right here to the pocket. That way, right?
In your pocket? Ooh,
So-
where?
Right here.
No way.
Ooh, is that
Yep.
it?
That's your card.
Wait.
What you think? What was it? You can say it.
I'm not gonna say it. 'Cause they ain't gonna know it.
Was it the 3?
Yeah.
Alright, now, Asani, that was just one car. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it in a bigger sense. Okay, I'll show you what I mean. Let's get camera girl.
I'm ready. Pick one.
This is going on YouTube.
Alright, yep.
Alright, Hunter Roads Magic, check it out.
This is the car, y'all.
Wait,
Okay.
Okay, because that's a random card.
Hold on. 1 second. Okay, this is the card.
So, mine's your melting area. You guys are missing out.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Okay. Now, people don't know whether to watch the hands, the cards, the pocket, the Spice Girls, okay? They don't know where to look. All right, but I'm going to do the same thing. It's going to happen really quick.
Okay.
Just see it jump.
Okay.
Check it out.
Ooh.
One card right in the pocket. You actually see it. Go ahead, reach in there, grab it out.
Let me see.
I'm just kidding. It's a different show. That's not doing that tonight. Maybe later. All right, we have a bunch of cards here. Yeah,
Okay.
hold on to those. What was your card? Do you remember?
You want me to say it?
Yeah, say it out loud.
Don't say it.
You sure?
Yes. Hold on to those. You can say it.
It was a 3 club.
3 of clubs.
7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Different.
Okay.
This is actually, I know, I'm pulling so many cards.
Okay.
This is actually the whole deck we've been using.
Okay.
Right here. And I actually keep one card in my hand all the time.
Ooh.
Turns into one card.
What is it?
Right in here, the 7 of clubs.
Ooh.
What's going on? You guys are what? He's crazy. He's dark-sided.
That was good. That was good.
I didn't even know.
That,
We had so much fun on the beach.
yeah, we did. See, at this point, we're forgetting the vlog, so forgive us if we don't pick up the camera. But we were trying to eat some. We were trying to eat some food, so we're up a little bit. Okay, this vlog might be a little crazy, just a little bit.
Later that same evening.
You guys, I'm finally back home and I'm ready to lay down. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, subscribe with life with likes. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hey yo.